Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 2, Global Supply Chain Networks, Section 6, Supply Chain Technology Applications, Lesson 2, Integration Challenges and Best Practices. Integration Challenges and Best Practices. In the previous lesson, we explored the various technologies driving modern supply chains. However, simply purchasing powerful software like a transportation management system, TMS, or a warehouse management system, WMS, is not enough. The real magic, and the real difficulty, happens when you try to make all these different systems talk to each other. This lesson focuses on the hurdles companies face when integrating their supply chain technologies and the proven strategies to overcome them. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the most common technical and organizational challenges in supply chain integration. Explain the concept of data silos and their impact on efficiency. Describe best practices for successful technology integration. Understand the role of APIs and middleware in creating a connected supply chain. 1. The core challenge: data silos. Imagine a supply chain where the sales team knows about a huge new order, but the procurement team isn't informed to buy raw materials. Or where the warehouse has finished a shipment, but the finance team doesn't know to send an invoice. This is the reality of data silos. A data silo occurs when information is isolated within one department or system and cannot be easily or automatically shared with others. The problem: silos lead to delays, manual data entry, which causes errors, excess inventory, poor customer service, and a lack of end-to-end visibility. Example: a customer service representative has to manually call the warehouse to check on an order status because the customer-facing system isn't connected to the WMS. This is inefficient and prone to error. 2. Key integration challenges. Integrating systems is rarely a simple plug-and-play process. Here are the most common obstacles. Legacy systems. Many companies run on older, on-premise software, legacy systems, that were not designed to connect with modern, cloud-based applications. They may use outdated protocols or proprietary data formats that are difficult to interface with. Lack of standardization. Different systems often speak different languages. An ERP system might call a product a item hash, while a supplier's system calls it a SKU. Data formats, like dates, MM/DD/YYYY versus DD, MM, YYYY, also vary widely, making seamless data exchange complex. High costs and complexity. Integration projects require specialized IT skills and can be expensive and time-consuming. The complexity increases with the number of systems being connected. Organizational resistance. Sometimes, the biggest challenge isn't technical but human. Departments may be resistant to sharing data, fearing a loss of control or increased scrutiny. A lack of clear ownership for integration projects can also stall progress. Security concerns. Opening up connections between systems, especially to external partners, suppliers, logistics providers, creates new entry points for cyberattacks. Ensuring data security during transfer is paramount. 3. Best practices for seamless integration. To overcome these challenges, organizations should adopt a strategic approach. Here are the best practices for successful integration. Start with a clear strategy. Don't integrate for the sake of integrating. Define your business goals first. What problem are you trying to solve? E.g., reduce order-to-delivery time by 20%, or achieve real-time visibility of in-transit inventory. Let the business goal guide the technical work. Prioritize data standardization. Before connecting systems, establish common data definitions and formats across the organization. Agree on what a customer, product, or order means. Implementing master data management, MDM, practices ensures everyone is working with the same clean, consistent data. Leverage middleware and integration platforms. You don't need to build custom connections for every pair of systems. Middleware acts as a translator and traffic cop between different applications. Modern solutions like Integration Platform as a Service, IPaaS, provide cloud-based tools to connect software applications, often with pre-built connectors for popular ERP, CRM, and supply chain systems. Embrace APIs, application programming interfaces. APIs are the modern standard for software integration. They allow different applications to request and exchange data with each other in a secure and controlled way. Think of an API as a well-documented messenger that takes a request from one app, tells another app what to do, and then delivers the response back. Modern, cloud-based systems are built API first, making them much easier to connect. Adopt an incremental, phased approach. Don't try to boil the ocean. Instead of attempting a big bang integration of every system at once, start with a pilot project. Integrate two critical systems, e.g., your e-commerce platform and your WMS. Learn from the process, and then expand to others. This minimizes disruption and allows you to demonstrate value early. Foster cross-functional collaboration. Integration is not just an IT project, it's a business project. Create a team with representatives from IT, operations, sales, finance, and other key departments. This ensures the integrated solution meets everyone's needs and secures buy-in across the organization. Summary: integrating supply chain technologies is essential for creating a responsive, efficient, and transparent operation. While challenges like legacy systems, data silos, and high complexity are common, they can be overcome with a strategic approach. By starting with clear goals, standardizing data, and leveraging modern tools like APIs and middleware, companies can connect their digital landscape, break down silos, and unlock the true value of their technology investments. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.